Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to transfer a domain in Wix to another provider or account. Whether we are switching platforms or managing our domains more efficiently, this process helps ensure a smooth transition. On the Wix dashboard, we go to Billing and Subscriptions. Once we are here, we just need to click on Domains. To transfer a domain, we have two options. We can either buy a new domain or connect a domain we already own. For example, if we already have a domain in Wix and another domain that we own, we can transfer it by clicking Disconnect a domain that we already own. If we want to add another domain, we just need to buy a new domain. Here, we simply type the domain name into the search bar to check if it is available. We search and then buy the domain so that we can own it and connect it to our Wix account. And that is how we can transfer a domain from Wix in just a few simple steps. With everything set up correctly, our domain will keep working without any issues.